Hey guys, so welcome to the sketching mini tutos, sketching from Chouchou, from me, chou-tac. So how to draw an infinity of products using the ellipses and cylinders. Alright, so we are going to do some quick doodle right here to see what we can draw. So here the basics, an axis, two ellipses, and you connect. And then this is a Pringle box. Do you know these Pringles? Like these chips that you can eat in this cylinder box. So you can find them in different sizes. And okay, as you can see here, we are going to draw a small logo here. So it gets more meanings for us. So this is basically the logo with the big mustache of Mr. Pringles. Alright. So my cylinder is a bit slanted for this doodle, and we can readjust a bit if we want to, but for this case it's just to show you, to communicate that you can do different sizes of Pringle box, and each of them has different usage. Like you can get the small one for the more portable, the middle one for the basic, and the slim one which is more like, let's say, diet packaging. And when you draw cylinders, remember that there's a difference between the top and below ellipse. The one on the top is thinner and the one below is bigger. So the 3 steps: axis, ellipses, and connect. And this is really the ultra simple way to draw cylinders. And with these cylinders we can draw more things, like here is a cocktail glasses. We did exactly the same things: axis, ellipses, and then you connect. It's just that some ellipses are just bigger than others. And here I'm drawing the cherry inside with some alcohol inside, and I want to break the stick so it gives a sensation of reflections on the water. Like let's say, how we call that? The diffractions, what? Of the light, distortion of the light, let's say. And yeah, don't forget the water of the thickness. And I can see that my bottom ellipse is not as wide enough. So this is magic with sketching, is always that don't try to look for perfection when you doodle, but feeling the curves right here. And like a draw, as you can see, the middle ellipses is actually where is the widest area, and you have to feel like you're pulling the curve going out. Okay, and that's the feel. Is really like a mental trick. You do not only visualize on paper what you want, you have to feel that tension. And you want to know that this wide area is actually where the curves are turning on the left and or the right, because this is the furthest distance on the side of this glass. Okay, and now let's draw the thickness here, which is thicker at the bottom because it's something which is more heavier. And let's add some ice cubes inside and a straw. So with a straw, which also going to be broken for the light distortion inside. And then let's add a bit some hatching for the inside view, which is totally optional. And you can draw an infinity of kind of glasses that you want. Here's some champagne, choose the length of the sticks, and so on. It's total freedom. Some bubbles. Okay, so explore some forms and sizes. Do not only draw that the one I'm showing you here. Go and explore as many as you want, and always think of, remember about the story of your glass. Okay, is it for cocktail? Is it for cognac? Is it for water? And so on. Let's see some common mistake that we see from beginner is that you are drawing some pointy edges of the cylinders, and this is something that which is like more like drawing what you see, but you have to visualize actually going through to avoid this flat version of the cylinder. Okay. And the mistake number 3 is the Tower of Pisa, which is like a cylinder which is just slanted that way. So how to solve it? Always start with the axis of symmetry, which is also called the minor axis. Alright, so then you connect them. So slim ellipse on the top, thicker below. And here is going to be a simple trick. It's like, if the paper is in front of you like this, is going to be difficult if it's parallel to your body. But what you have to do is to slant on your paper to 45 degrees, and then you will get the natural position of sketching. Okay. And this is going to make the world difference. Alright, it's like that. You got the 45 degree and then you draw. And if it's like vertical like this, you will tend to maybe draw potato shape. Okay, remember that the ellipses also play with the symmetry. Alright, and in the cylinder, you have to think of it like a lot of series of discs piling on top of each other. Alright, so let's recapitulate. You have a fast method here to draw the cylinders, which is easy to modify and create as many shapes as you want. Always think of the story that will give you the shape. And always see in 3 dimensions so you can see through your forms, okay? So you won't get flat but in 3D volumes. Always think of strategy when you draw, and if you want to go further, like on these tutorials, is actually you need to draw it with multiple angles by drawing inside the box, a cylinder inside the box like this. Just give you a very quick preview here. And here we go. Alright, so see you in the next videos. Bye bye. So feel free to download the beginner guide as well in the blog, and you have the link inside the description so you can make your first steps in design sketching, getting the right habits from the pros. Alright, so see you. Bye bye.